family. It's so messy over here. Don't worry, because we're going to make a pterodon. Remember those dinosaurs? So, let's get started. You can use like a square piece of sugar paper. And what you do is you fold it up in half. Like that. Then you fold. Then you fold it over here. Then you make it sideways, this diagonal line like that. Then fold it over here. Then you see the other line. Then fold it over here. Then you see this part. Make it this over here. Then fold it over. See this part. Make it over here. Like the same thing. And you stick out here. You stick out here. Then you just have to draw his face. Let's use Sharpie. Where's my Sharpie again? I'm just going to use a pencil for mine. Mine is the baby ones. I like to. You can use. You can see this, and you can see the other one. Because this is it. Get it? So I draw this thing over here to be more cooler, to be more prettier. So this is the boy one. Whoever's red, this is the boy one. This is the girl one. Get it? So I hope you're enjoying seeing it.